Welcome back to my channel, Cherished Cocoa. In today's video I will be showing you how to make Nigeria egg roll. Let's get started by adding 4 cups of flour in a bowl. One tsp of baking powder. 1 tsp of salt. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 tsp of nutmeg. Then let's stir it properly to combine the dry ingredient. Add 5 spoons of melted butter. Add 2 raw eggs. Add 1/2 cup of liquid milk, or you can replace it with dry milk. Then mix to combine the wet ingredients. Mix it with your hand to feel the texture of the dough, in order to know if you will need to add water to it. But as for me, the liquid milk fill the gap of water, so I do not need to add water. Mix until you get a strong dough like this. Set the dough aside to rest for a while we boil and peel our eggs. Just like this. Now let's divide the dough into 9 pieces. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also leave a comment to make me know how you feel about the egg roll. Thanks and God bless you. Then let's put the egg in the dough and mold it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also leave a comment to make me know how you feel about the egg roll. Thanks and God bless you. After molding the egg, you should get this. All done now. Let's start frying. Make sure you fry on a medium heat. If not, the outer part will be brown while the inner part will be half done. Our egg roll is now ready to be served. To see how the fish roll and the chicken pie was made, click on the next video. And also check out to see one eye icon, click it to watch the video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also leave a comment to make me know how you feel about the egg roll. Thanks and God bless you.